Guanajuato, a city nestled in the heart of Mexico's highlands, stands as a testament to the rich tapestry of Mexican history and culture. Its winding alleyways, vibrant colors, and centuries-old traditions make it a living museum that has profoundly shaped the cultural identity of Mexico. Today, we explore how this city has influenced the broader Mexican cultural landscape, from its colonial roots to its modern-day reputation as a hub of arts, education, and national pride. First, it is essential to understand Guanajuato's historical foundation. Founded in the early 16th century following the discovery of rich silver deposits, the city quickly grew into an important mining center. The wealth generated during the colonial period not only built opulent churches and mansions but also laid the groundwork for a unique cultural identity. The silver boom attracted artisans, craftsmen, and thinkers, fostering a vibrant community that would leave an indelible mark on Mexico's cultural heritage. The architecture of Guanajuato reflects its colonial past and economic prosperity. Its narrow, labyrinthine streets are lined with colorful facades, Baroque churches, and historic plazas that echo the grandeur of Spain's influence. The Basilica of Our Lady of Guanajuato and the Alhóndiga de Granaditas are exemplary symbols of religious and civic pride. These structures are more than monuments. They embody the fusion of indigenous and European artistic traditions that define Mexican architecture. They also serve as venues for festivals and celebrations that reinforce community bonds and cultural continuity. Guanajuato's role as a cultural hub extends beyond architecture. The city has fostered a vibrant art scene, especially in music and visual arts. The famous Cervantino Festival, held annually since 1972, is a testament to Guanajuato's commitment to arts and culture. Named after Miguel de Cervantes, author of Don Quixote, this festival attracts artists, musicians, dancers, and performers from around the world. It has elevated the city into an international cultural destination, influencing Mexican arts by promoting diversity, creativity, and dialogue among different cultural traditions. In addition to its international reputation, Guanajuato has nurtured a strong local artistic identity. The city's museums and galleries showcase works that reflect indigenous influences, colonial history, and contemporary expressions. The Museo Casa Diego Rivera, dedicated to the renowned Mexican muralist, highlights the importance of Mexican muralism in shaping national identity. Rivera's murals, often depicting social issues and Mexican history, have had a profound impact on the country's artistic and cultural consciousness, and Guanajuato's support of such institutions solidifies its role in fostering Mexican cultural pride. Guanajuato's literary legacy is equally significant. The city is linked to important figures like Juan José Arriola, a celebrated writer and intellectual, whose works explore themes of identity, memory, and cultural heritage. The city's literary cafes and cultural centers continue to promote creative expression, ensuring that storytelling and literary traditions remain alive. These traditions influence Mexican literature at large, emphasizing themes of history, social justice, and cultural resilience. Religious traditions in Guanajuato are deeply intertwined with its cultural identity. The annual Festival of the Virgin of Guanajuato exemplifies the city's spiritual heritage. Pilgrimages, processions, and local rituals reinforce a collective sense of identity rooted in Catholic faith. These practices have influenced Mexican religious festivals nationwide, emphasizing community participation, syncretism, and cultural continuity. The blending of indigenous beliefs with Catholic practices creates a unique religious culture that is distinctly Mexican and prominently celebrated in Guanajuato. The city's contribution to Mexican popular culture can also be seen through its influence on music and dance. Traditional genres like mariachi and San Juanians have roots in regional communities, but Guanajuato's festivals and cultural events have helped popularize and preserve these musical styles. The lively rhythms and colorful costumes associated with Guanajuato's festivities have become symbols of Mexican cultural identity, recognized worldwide. Guanajuato's educational institutions also play a vital role in shaping national culture. The University of Guanajuato, founded in the 18th century, continues to foster academic excellence and cultural research. Its programs promote Mexican history, arts, and social sciences, ensuring that new generations appreciate and contribute to their cultural heritage. This educational focus influences broader Mexican cultural policies and initiatives. Furthermore, the city's commitment to preserving its historical and cultural patrimony has inspired national policies on heritage conservation. Guanajuato's efforts to maintain its colonial architecture and promote sustainable tourism serve as models for other Mexican cities. This dedication helps sustain Mexican cultural diversity and promotes a sense of identity rooted in history and tradition. Guanajuato's influence extends to its role in the Mexican independence movement. The battles fought here, particularly the Siege of Guanajuato in 1810, symbolize resistance and the quest for sovereignty. These historical events have become part of the national consciousness, inspiring patriotic sentiments and cultural narratives that emphasize pride in Mexican independence. The city's museums and monuments serve as reminders of this legacy, reinforcing themes of resilience and unity that permeate Mexican culture. In contemporary times, Guanajuato continues to innovate while honoring tradition. Its vibrant street art, contemporary galleries, and cultural festivals demonstrate how tradition and modernity coexist. This dynamic cultural environment influences Mexican artists and creators, encouraging experimentation and dialogue within the national artistic scene.